Hello everyone, and welcome to Lesson 7 of this IELTS writing course. In this lesson, we're going to cover Task 1, General. Let's start with some essential information for Task 1 in the General IELTS exam. Task 1 of the General exam requires you to write a letter, and the instructions in the prompt are quite clear. The essay should be organized according to the prompt. It is extremely important to recognize the appropriate tone and to maintain a consistent tone throughout the letter. Now, if we compare Task 1 General to Task 2, the options for organization are much more limited. The prompt is very, very clear exactly what you have to cover in order to achieve a high score for task achievement. Very different from Task 2, where there are different types of essays which may require different types of organization. More important than organization is the tone, and that's what we're going to focus on in this lesson, recognizing the tone and maintaining the tone throughout. The minimum length of this task is 150 words, but an ideal length would be 170 to 200. Okay, so try to aim for that window. There are several types of letters you may be asked to write. For example, an apology letter, a request letter, a complaint letter, an application letter, a resignation letter, that means quitting your job, making arrangements, an explanation, informative, or invitation. Okay, so 9 different types of letters, but as I said, the types don't really matter that much because the prompt itself is going to lay out exactly what you need to cover, and I'll show you that in just a moment. So more important than the type of letter, there are 3 different tones that you may be asked to use, depending on the audience and the purpose of the letter. Here are the 3 tones. Formal, and we use this with someone you don't know for a serious or formal purpose. Okay, so a complaint letter is a great example. You're complaining about a service or a product, and the person that you are complaining to is just a random representative from that company. You don't know them personally. And this is a formal purpose, so we use a formal letter or a formal tone. Now, the semi-formal tone is used when the audience is someone that you know, but also for a serious or formal purpose. We use this often for work situations, when we're contacting someone in another department, someone that you know. However, we want to maintain that serious tone or that formal tone, somewhat formal tone, as you talk to them. Now, the informal tone is used with someone that you know, and we use this for a casual purpose. Okay? Inviting someone to a birthday party, for example, a friend. Okay? Typically, informal letters are written to a friend, not a colleague.